All right, class, let me try another solution with you at 1649, working here on waves. It says wind gusts create ripples on the ocean that have a wavelength of 5 centimeters and they propagate at 2 meters per second. What is their frequency? Well, the idea here is a very important relationship between velocity, wavelength, and either frequency or period. And so I'll use that to kind of emphasize both because the reciprocal of the frequency is the period. And so there's 4 variables here. And if you know, say, 2 of these, you can find the third and then the fourth. So yeah, any combination thereof, we can get, the other 2 given that we have 2. I suppose unless it's these 2. These 2 are really one and the same. But any combination of the other 2, we can find the other 2 unknowns. And this is an example of that, and with a little bit of issue on the units, because they're asking for what is the frequency. And so I'm looking at this equation here, saying the frequency would then be the velocity over the wavelength. And so they directly gave those. They gave the velocity at 2 meters per second, and they gave the wavelength, but they gave it in centimeters. So these are short little ripples. They truly are, as they say, ripples. And so ripples have a small wavelength. They also travel at a low speed. And that's what they're showing here. And so just taking us back to chapter 1 where we have to watch our units. So this is 1/20th. So this must come out to be 40. So what that is, 2 divided by 0.05, 40. And so these are 40 times per second. That means 40 hertz. And so that'll give me a chance to use the unit hertz. I know I didn't get a chance in class to mention it. So that one and intensity, I think, is 2 things I need to address in these little solutions. And this is one of them. Okay. Hope that one helps.